Are you tired of being denied for loans, credit cards, or even other financial products? Have you ever wondered why your credit score isn't as high as it could be? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you practical strategies to use in order to improve your credit in ways that you can easily build this overnight or within 30 to 90 days. Yes, I did say overnight because there is one tactic in here that you can use in order to do this. And I'm excited to show you because this isn't your regular how to build your credit report in 2023. I'm really going to teach you and dive into these methods, and hopefully you can also improve your credit score just as I have. So our first tip is making sure that you get a free credit report. Getting a free credit report is going to allow you to view and report any negative information that isn't supposed to be there. Now, this can take a few minutes, but you can get a free report by going to annualfreecreditreport.com, and this is going to give you one report per year. So you need to be very careful and establish that you are going to fix your credit, and this is something that you truly want to get done, because if not, you will need to use other tools such as Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Now that you have your credit, you're going to want to look for any discrepancies. Discrepancies such as your name, last name, your workplace, and even your address. Once you know that these are all correct, then you can go ahead and get started to the next step. But if not, you will want to send out a dispute letter and fix these items. So when you do start fixing or building your credit, you will have a peace of mind knowing that everything is up to date on your personal records. So now that we have that in order, the next step is going to get a credit building tool or service. Now, these tools and services are very useful for anyone who has no credit at all, because you can easily apply and more than likely get approved. And my current favorite builder that I'm using right now is Stellarfi. So Stellarfi actually allows you to report all of your monthly services such as Netflix, Hulu, and even Disney Plus to the major credit bureaus, and that will positively affect your credit report. And you're also still paying for the same things that you were already paying for, but now you can leverage those subscriptions and report your rent. So Stellarfi has been very helpful, and their customer support is actually truly amazing, and I love the team on there. So you don't need any credit, and if you have bad credit, you can still apply for Stellarfi and sign up for their services. Next up on our list is reporting your rent. Yes, you can actually report your rental history and boost your credit score at the same time. So many people don't know about this, but if you do make payments online, you can report your rental history using a rent reporting service such as BoomPay or Rent Reporters. Now, sometimes it might not be easy to do this, but that's why I said if you have been making your payments online, all you need to do is provide them with the online transaction history, and these companies can report your rental history to the three major credit bureaus, and that's going to be Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So as you know, building credit history is really, really important, and that's kind of how you can establish good credit. So if you're in an apartment, I'd highly recommend that you sign up for a service like BoomPay or Rent Reporters to start reporting your rent. Next up on our list is asking for a credit limit increase. Now, this has been said over and over by many other YouTubers, but I'm not going to lie, reporting and getting a credit limit increase is probably the easiest way to build your credit score, and sometimes can even report and get built in within overnight, because it happens so quickly that once you do this, in the next 30 days or so, you will see your credit score improve. And typically it is about 30 to 45 days, but you won't have to do anything. It just takes one step. You get in contact with your credit card issuer, and it can happen overnight, as in they submit the application, everything gets approved, you get your credit limit increase, which lowers your debt to income ratio through your credit. And this allows you to easily boost your credit score. So whether you have, let's say, JP Morgan, or you're using a different card like Capital One, you can get in contact with them. And as long as you have a good history, you can easily get your credit score increased for this as well. Next up on our list is late payments. And yes, this is the most boringest method, but late payments actually is one of the most important factors in your credit score. So setting up auto pay is and will be the smartest decision you can make when it comes to credit cards or any other loans that you have. So that is something that I make sure that I follow as well. And I need to make sure that I have everything on auto pay, because if I don't, I end up missing a payment, and that is something that you do not want. So make sure that you contact your credit card issuer or loans, depending on the bank. You can get in contact with them, set up auto pay, or you can go to your online account and easily set that up on your own. So now that we went over some tips, I want to make sure that you have no incorrect or negative items on your credit report. So as you build credit, if you see any negative information, you're going to want to also dispute your incorrect or negative accounts on your credit report. So let's say you have any collection accounts, let's say you have potentially late payments that have been there for more than 2 years, you can dispute these because there are laws that keep you protected as a consumer, and those are going to be the FCRA and CRORA. So these laws help you as a consumer and make sure that credit collections accounts and issuers are all following these guidelines. So if you do have any negative information, you can use my credit repair software, and it is a DIY solution, so you don't have to go through a credit repair company if you don't want to. I do offer this as a service, and this is going to allow you to easily send out your own dispute letters, monitor your credit report, and follow up every 30 to 45 days. But I want to let you guys know because it is very affordable, and it is something that I've been working hard on to make sure that you guys can fix your credit score. And yes, do I own my own credit repair company? I do, but I found out that having a DIY solution is very helpful for those that want to repair their credit without having to go through all this entire sales process. Now, I really hope that can help you out because I want to make sure that you guys get help. And again, the company is called Credit Pillow, and it is supposed to be cushioning your credit report. Feel free to comment to let me know if you want me to make any other type of videos just like this, and I'll be making those as well. See you guys on the next one.